Okay, Dave, today is one of the things I love to do, and that's I get to work with clients in what I call a deep dive day. So I work with clients on a 6-month program, and twice during that 6-month program, they come and actually work with me over a day. Now, it can be done online. I have clients in Melbourne and regional areas of Queensland, and so we can do it online. We spend a whole day with about 4 or 5 calls. I love the breakthroughs that happen. But when a client is fairly local, either in Brisbane or the Gold Coast, what I love to get them to do is to come down here to our house by the water, and we actually go for a walk, a really long walk. We might spend some time down sitting under a tree, overlooking the ocean, mapping some strategies out. But when it happens, when you're walking and you're moving, there's the most incredible breakthroughs that can occur. I'm a really passionate exerciser, always have been. But these days, time is really valuable to me. So I keep it as simple as I can. For me, it's a 30-minute walk. It gets me down to the ocean and back every day. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I always do sunset, sunrise videos. And then I come back and I do some really simple strength exercises. I like push-ups and lunges and squats. Anything that's over and done with in about 30 to 40 minutes, I'm in. Because time is at essence to me at the moment. But if you want to create real breakthroughs in your life, it's the best thing that you can do is to commit to regular movement of your body and creating strength through that. And in the book Lighten, I talk about the 4 pillars: sustenance, spirit, strength, and success. And strength to me is not only emotional strength, but physical strength. We can't deny that that's what we need to be doing at the moment. We are such a sedentary group of people. No, we've never been this sedentary before, ever, in the history of humanity. And it really helps to kind of get some clarity. And I walk most mornings. I'm listening to podcasts. I listen to audiobooks. I learn so much in that 20, 30 minutes today. I'm a bit later in my little bit later in my workout because I've been listening to a great podcast. I want to get to the end of it. But when I get to work with clients all day and we get to move and walk, the breakthroughs are really profound, really profound. It's like these huge aha moments that wouldn't happen if you were just sitting still. So if you're struggling at something at the moment and you can't get clarity on it, go for a walk, do some exercise. It's amazing the breakthroughs that can happen. And if you're interested in having a chat to me about coming working with me on a 6-month program, click on the link. I think it's in the bio. There's a link in the bio or down below, one or the other. There's a link. You can book in and have a chat with me, see what that's all about, whether that's something for you. But truly, it's the greatest way you can create those breakthroughs, just simply by moving your body. And I'm going to look forward to today. Whole day with clients. Love it. And I get to wear my workout gear entire day. Talk soon.